Hi everybody. Today it's Wednesday and we're back in my kitchen. Today's dinner, I'm going to prepare some burrito. A lamb burrito for my husband and the Caesar burrito for me. Chicken Caesar burrito for me. Okay, so I have the flour tortilla and the vegetables and some chicken and the lamb. I don't like lamb. I don't eat lamb, so we're not having the same dinner today. Okay, so now I'm heating the pan. I'm gonna cook the lamb. It's already seasoned. I put pepper, garlic salt, seasoned salt, and Italian seasoning. It's cues for the chicken bones here. Okay, I think it's hot. The pan is hot, so I'm gonna put it in the pan. Turn brown. Then once it turns brown, it's ready, and we're gonna go to the next step, wrapping everything. Okay, so I just warmed the tortilla and then I put the cheese and then we'll put the meat. Put the meat. It's cooked. You want all this meat? Yeah, it's pretty not that much. Okay. And then cut it down. More cheese on the top. One more. Okay, so I'm gonna add the taco sauce. And then okay, so the last step, I'm gonna put the vegetables, onions on the top, tomatoes on the top, green onions, and I'm rolling it. And then, ta-da! This is my lamb tortilla. So I'm getting ready to do my chicken Caesar wrap. So first, I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the Caesar sauce, and I will add the chicken. A little bit, and of course the lettuce, and more of chicken, and some Caesar sauce, and some cheese. More cheese. Some croutons. I can open. And a little bit of onions. Then now I'm gonna wrap it up. It looks too much. Oh no. And then that's it. I have my Caesar salad wrap.
Well, our dinner has been prepared. There is my lamb burrito my wife fixed for me. And she has a
Chicken Caesar salad wrap.
chicken Caesar salad wrap.
My
This is-
Filipino, what is it? How do they call this? My Filipino accent is coming out.
Who told you how to wrap that? Who told you how to make that?
Chipotle.
Ah, you got me Chipotle restaurant. Okay, that's cool. But the lamb burrito is just my idea. Instead of making a lamb taco, maybe I have meat left for a lamb taco. But a burrito is good enough. That's about 3 tacos right there.
Yeah.
So it's cool. So you guys, this is another episode of my wife's kitchen, Kay's kitchen, and you learn a little bit about how to make a burrito, which is not that very difficult.
I think this is not our first time.
No,
We
not,
have burrito before.
no, you fixed tacos before too, I think. Remember? Yeah, 'cause she can cook. She really can cook. So anyway, if you like this little short video, please like, subscribe, and share, and comment below what you think. And if you think of a better way to cook it, let us know. Okay. So anyway, like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.